I tried to grow a YouTube channel using YouTube Shorts in 14 days. In this video, I will show you my results with YouTube Shorts and the entire creation process. I'm also going to show you how much money you can make from YouTube Shorts, so stay until the end to find out. Day 1. Creating the channel. The first thing I did was decide what kind of content I wanted to post. For this channel, I decided to choose something I'm good at, namely movies. Because I am an avid consumer of movies and series, I decided to go for this niche. Especially since there are a lot of movie recap channels that have amazing results with the videos they post. But I will not post long-form videos, but short videos. The next thing I did was come up with a name for the channel, and for this, I used my friend ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me some name ideas for my channel, and I chose the one that was shorter and fit my chosen niche so that it was also easy to remember. Also, with the help of ChatGPT, I wrote the channel description in just a few minutes. Once the channel is created, we will need a logo and a banner. For the logo, I decided to use an animated logo, so I used DALL-E, an AI program that generates images for you based on text. Then I created the banner using Canva, a free editing program. I searched through the multitude of templates that Canva has, and when I found something I liked, I just changed the text to match my channel. Both the logo and the banner required a bit of imagination, but there are plenty of YouTube channels to draw inspiration from. But it's very important not to waste too much time on these things, because you want to focus on something that brings you views. Which brings us to the next step: create your first short. I created the shorts using Filmora 9, a paid program. But for starters, you don't need a paid program. You can use other free alternatives, but the best program of all is CapCut. This program has everything you need to create amazing videos, and it's completely free, but it requires some video editing skills. But the good thing is that the more videos you make, the better you will get. But if you don't want to edit the videos yourself, you can use a program like Pictory, which will do all the work for you. All you have to do is enter the script of the video, and in just a few minutes Pictory will edit your video. If you want to try the program for free, access the link in the description. Because the niche is movies, for the first shorts I chose as a subject a movie that I had already seen, Weak Hero, which is actually a Korean series. So I created the video script, edited the video, and put some cool captions, like most videos have lately. And finally I posted the video hoping for the best. In the first 24 hours after publication, my YouTube channel got 106 views. Day 2. The next day I posted a new video. This time, I did some research on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts to see what worked for other people, and what movies people are generally interested in. The second video got 1.7k views and 7 subscribers in the first 24 hours of posting, which is much better than the first video. I continued to post a new video every day. I got my inspiration from TikTok videos, but I also watched the results of those videos. If the videos on TikTok had more than 100k views, it meant that it is a video idea worth trying. But be careful. Try not to copy them completely. There are a lot of people on YouTube who will tell you to download videos from TikTok and then upload them to YouTube to make a lot of money in a short time. But this thing doesn't work, because YouTube will always know if your videos are original, or if the videos are re-uploaded from other social media platforms. After a few days, I decided to change my strategy, so I went to a big movie recap channel and studied the videos they posted. I chose a video of theirs that performed well and was newly posted. The video was about the movie Geostorm, a sci-fi movie about the end of the world. I had seen this movie a few years ago, which made it quite easy to create my own short video. The strategy worked great. In the first 24 hours after publication, I had 2,500 views and 6 subscribers, which ranks this video as the best of all the videos I've posted. After a few days passed, and I didn't post anything, I decided to change something. Because the winners of the Oscars had just been announced, I decided to use this opportunity to do a lot of viewing. Since my niche was about movies, the Oscars were the perfect time to create viral videos. I posted video after video, even 2 times on the same day, and in the end, I did a total of 25k views, 149 watch hours, and 31 subscribers. My first peak, it was of 2,300 views in one day. After that, the views dropped considerably, but after a few days, I reached a new peak of 2,400 views. During the period when I didn't post anything, the views of the channel remained somewhere between 40 and 10 views per day. But after that, I started uploading Oscar videos, which made my channel grow even more, reaching new heights of 3,500 views per day and even over 4,000 views in a single day. Oscar videos performed pretty well, but I was expecting even better, like a few 100,000 or even millions of views, but the number I got was nowhere near that. The maximum number of views I could achieve with these videos was around 5,000. I guess the videos I uploaded weren't the best, the editing and maybe even the titles could be improved. So I still have a long way to go before I reach 1,000 subscribers and the 10 million views that YouTube requires to be eligible to make money with YouTube Shorts. But is it worth it, spending your time editing and posting hundreds, or even thousands of shorts, to make money from YouTube? Are YouTube Shorts shorts better than YouTube's long format? Well, I don't really think so. Yes, it can be quite difficult to get views with the long format, but the same applies to the shorts. It depends more on the content you upload. But the difference here is that with a long format you can achieve a much higher RPM, which means revenue per mile. And it represents the amount of money you as a creator get for 1,000 views. For example, with long format you can reach RPMs of $10, $30, or even $100, while with YouTube Shorts the RPM is very low. For 1,000 views on Shorts, you can do somewhere between 1 cent and 10 cents, which is very little. If we are to do a calculation, to make $1,000 per month, with an average RPM of 7 cents, we need over 14 million views. I personally think that's too many views in 1 month just to make $1,000. I prefer to focus on the long format, create videos of the highest quality and value to the audience, and make 1 million views per month with an RPM of $1 to reach $1,000, or even 100,000 of views with an RPM of $10 to make $1,000 per month. At the moment, I really think that YouTube Shorts are no better than the long format on YouTube, but maybe in the future, the RPM for YouTube Shorts will increase, and more money can be made. But instead, I think it's a good strategy to combine YouTube Shorts and long format videos to grow as fast as possible on YouTube. But make sure you create quality content. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and thumbnails so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend you, but more importantly, it can recommend you to people who are interested in your content. If you're serious about starting a YouTube automation channel, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and check the description for a free training on YouTube automation. Like this video if it was helpful, and leave a comment with your thoughts on YouTube Shorts. Who is better? Also, I am sure that these two videos will be of great use to you if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube automation.